Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Test number 10. If the outlines was wrong, comma, learn the right one, full stop. If you were careless, comma, make up your mind to be more careful, full stop. It is really surprising how many marks are lost by shorthand writers simply through carelessness, full stop. A written piece of work is ready to hand in the moment you reach the last outline, full stop. Very small outlines may be difficult to read, comma. Very large ones waste time, full stop. The reports and accounts are as usual in considerable detail, comma, but as they have been in your hands for the past 3 weeks, you have been able to study them at your leisure, full stop. So that I am sure would like me to follow our usual custom of taking them as read, full stop. I hope you will regard our achievement as satisfactory. Media in the circumstances, full stop. The introduction of the electronic communication media should not be allowed to obscure the continuing and increasing need for writing in business organization, full stop. Ladies and gentlemen, colon, I would remind you that our policy for over 20 years has been an endeavor to provide stable employment for our employees, full stop. New plant and machinery arrived during the year, comma, but it must be realized that the benefits to be derived from this plant have not been felt to the full in the year under review, full stop. Small traders' current account balances and turnovers are 40% down, and there has been a large reduction in private deposits, full stop. As I have indicated to you, in recent years we have done our utmost to ensure that by increased efficiency in production, full stop. I trust that you will accept the possible explanation that this mishap has been caused by some extraordinary or personal negligence on the part of our staff, full stop. Ladies and gentlemen, comma, it was with some regret that with a good deal of surprise that your directors received letters from a number of shareholders who are opposed to the proposed issue of bonus shares on the ground that it would greatly detract from the value of the existing shares, full stop. I thank you for your letter of the 20th instructions, comma, regarding the damage to the gates and wall at the front of your house, full stop. I note that this was the result of a collision between a motor lorry and motor car, full stop. We are taking the liberty of sending you our revised booklet for linens, comma, fabrics and woolen good, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as private secretary in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shadra.